City of Toronto Spring Vacation Program starts on March 4th, and just showing you how to do it. Just go to eFund Toronto in Google. You can click on the online registration and booking. Click on online registration and booking again. You can go to the top left corner. Then you can sign into your account and create an account if you don't have one. Then click on My Account. It'll take you into your account. You can go back to top left corner and click Activities. You can always search by the age. So I just randomly check like 6 to 12 or 10 years. And look for the, click OK, and then look for the activities, what kind of activity we're looking for. So click the activities. You can go for activity category or the age category. And I will choose swimming, the small group, and go for location. So let's just choose 2 locations for now. And it will take you to all the available locations. As you can see here, they have an age group and the time and the day and the date and the location. They have some current activity which shows full, and you can just ignore them and scroll down. And some available ones. So I'll just go for the specific group. You can see the heart at the side of all the activities. So you can just click the heart to save it to the wish list. It's like I have saved this one here. I'll just click this to show more detailed information on this class. We're not able to add any of these activities in the cart at the moment. As soon as it goes live on March 4th at 7 a.m., we will be able to add them in the cart. So it's a very good way to add them in the wish list before, at least a day before the actual registration starts. And you can find your wish list under Other Service and Manage Wish List. Hope everyone gets the classes they're looking for their kiddos. Good luck, everyone.